The frequency and impact of terror strikes in India has been growing, but each new strike seems to take the authorities by surprise. Not willing to simply blame the government anymore, a citizens group has now decided to do its bit to prevent such attacks. It has set up Jagruk Nagrik Suraksha Sangathan or JNSS in Delhi. The aim is to help citizens become their own guards.
He has to, awaken himself and is to take up that responsibility of becoming alert and joining hands together, forming a network and falling in line to secure himself and the people around him. If we do that, we would not have to blame the security agencies.
JNSS has identified areas that are most vulnerable to terror strikes, busy and crowded markets. Two separate teams are being formed, one to keep a watch and the other to act in case of an emergency.
We have asked these shopkeepers to volunteer just one person of their employees, to join our card team, who would be expected to not only keep a vigil on what's happening in the market, to take note of the suspicious people moving around, suspicious activities that might happen, people who might be straying in, who are strangers and would be behaving suspiciously. Apart from that, also to respond to situations just in case their alertness has not been able to prevent a disaster situation from happening.
Sarojini Nagar, which is a highly popular shopping destination for young people, has been hit twice by militants. The Market Association here has responded enthusiastically to the idea of citizens coming together to fight terror.
जब से अपना बॉम्बे में कांड हुआ उससे हमने अपना ये एक मोटो बना लिया है, सेल्फ प्रोटेक्शन, क्योंकि लॉ इन्फोर्सिंग अथॉरिटी भी इतनी बिजी है कि वो अकेले तो कुछ कर नहीं सकती. जितनी देर हमारी पब्लिक की उनके सपोर्ट नहीं होगी और उसमें नहीं हेल्प करेंगे तब तक ये इन्फोर्स नहीं हो सकता.
A similar approach has been adopted by the Mehrauli market, which was the site of a blast few months ago.
बेसिक स्टेप जो हमारा है एक नेटवर्क बनाना, जिसको हम सिन बोलते हैं. शॉपकीपर टू शॉपकीपर एक दूसरे से जोड़ना या पर्सन टू पर्सन जो एक दूसरे के नेटवर्क में रहें, और अगर कोई इंसिडेंट होता है तो इमीडिएट एक दूसरे की मदद कर सके पुलिस के आने से पहले.
While Sarojini Nagar and Mehrauli have already implemented this module, up next are the Tilak Vihar, Lajpat Nagar and Yusufsarai markets. The idea behind this citizens initiative is simple: be alert, be secure. But how they succeed in spreading the idea and convincing the citizens organizations to implement it proactively remains to be seen. For Mint in New Delhi, Nidhi Bhardwaj.